y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking back onto my video. And for all of those who are new, my name is Faith, and on this channel I post content about natural hair, lifestyle, nursing, and a little fitness videos. So if those are interesting to you, then make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can join my channel. And also don't forget to hit that post notification button so you can get alerted every single time I post another video. But as you guys see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these really pretty boho / goddess braids. And y'all, this was my first time trying these out, so I feel like I did okay for my first time, but I definitely know what to do next time to make this style look even better than it does right now. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to definitely try to perfect this style because it is a really cute summer style that if it's done right, that it will last a long time. And I honestly think that I could get 2 weeks out of this style and I could wear a braid out for the 3rd week. So that's what I'm honestly going to try to do. But this is day 1 hair, so I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks throughout the week so you guys can see an update video. And I might even show you guys what it looks like when I take it down. But I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to let you guys get into this video. Alright y'all, so as you all can see, I mostly have all the back section finished. But I did have a hard time separating my hair in the beginning. But as you guys see, I'm going to start with my rat tail comb to part my hair. And I'm going to actually just part my hair just a little bit so I can work on the back part. Then I'm going to put the front part in a ponytail. And I'm not the best at parting my hair, but I tried to make the parts as neat as I could. And once I do have my hair parted, I then begin to apply all 3 of my products. And before I do apply my products, I make sure that I use my spray bottle to spray my hair thoroughly from my roots to my ends to make sure all of my hair is coated. And then I begin first using the Camille Rose Aloe Butter Gel to be my moisturizer. And then I go in with my Eco Styler Black Castor Oil Gel to make sure that my hair is nice and defined when I'm trying to define the curly pieces. And I did use the Cream of Nature Styling Mousse at the end to make sure my hair wasn't frizzy. But I start out with applying all 3 of the products, and then I make sure to respray my hair with water just to make sure that my hair is nice and saturated, so that when I'm actually starting my braid, my hair is nice and moisturized, and I can easily take out the pieces that I feel like are most curly, so that way I can just slightly define those pieces when I'm done. And as you guys can see, I do use a good amount of the Aloe Butter Gel just so that I can make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized. And I make sure to rub that thoroughly, starting from my ends and working my way up. And then I also finger detangle my hair as well, so that when I use my tangle teaser, my hair is already pretty much detangled. And after I feel like my hair is moisturized enough with the moisturizer, I then go in with my Eco Styler Black Castor Oil Gel to define my curls. And as you all can see, I am using a good amount of the Eco Styler Gel on my hair just so that my hair is nice and defined when I'm braiding it, and so that when I take the piece of hair out of the braid, my hair can be nice and defined. And then I go in with my tangle teaser after I applied all the gel. And I begin this style first with doing a 3-strand twist on my roots just so that I can have at least tight roots, so that way my braids don't look poofy when I'm done. And then after I go a couple inches down from doing a 3-strand twist, I then begin to do a 3-strand braid, and then I detangle it, and then I start to take out the pieces of the braid where I feel like it's most defined or most curly, so then that way that will be the piece that I leave out. And a couple times I did put the hair in my mouth, but I noticed for some braids I didn't actually have to do that, but other pieces of hair it was easier for me to just put it in my mouth, so that way it wouldn't actually be in my way when I was trying to braid my hair the rest of the way down. And once I do get to the end, I make sure to use my tangle teaser to make sure that my ends are nice and detangled. And then I apply a little bit more gel on my ends, and then I roll my finger around it just so that I can have that nice curl form at the end. And after I'm done defining my ends, I take a little bit more gel and I make sure to roll my finger around the loose strands so that way those pieces can be nice and defined as well. And then I follow that same process throughout all of my hair. I spray my hair with water, and then I apply the moisturizer, the aloe with butter gel, and then I go in with the Eco Styler gel, and then I brush my hair with the Tangle Teaser, and then I begin to 3-strand twist at the root, and then when I go a little far down, I then begin to do my 3-strand braid. But I did actually notice later on that when I did start my 3-strand braid, that it's okay to start taking out the loose pieces earlier on the braid, so that way when you finish, my hair could be fuller, and that way I could have more defined pieces that you could actually see when the style was finished. And as you guys can see now, I have the first strand of hair in my mouth, and then I began to braid farther down, and then I spray my hair with water. And then occasionally I will use my Tangle Teaser to make sure that my ends are nice and defined. And then I take more pieces of my hair out, and then I begin again to braid straight down. And lastly, I apply gel on my ends, and then I roll my ends around my finger so that way my ends can be nice and curly. And like I said before, I do use Eco Styler gel on the loose pieces just so that I can define those curls. But I'm actually going to let you guys watch me do the rest of the process, and I'm going to come back when I'm finished. Turned out like. I did my braids a little bigger than I wanted to, so I did have to go back off camera and fix a couple of them, but other than that, I really like this style, and I have a lot of pieces that are really defined, and I can attest that honestly to getting all of my dead ends cut off and getting all of my split ends cut off as well. So I definitely feel like using the moisturizer and the Eco Styler gel definitely helped me to have moisture and definition on my hair. But y'all, at the beginning I was honestly nervous about trying this style on shorter hair because I see that it looks really nice on long hair, but I still think it does look good on short hair as well. But y'all, that is actually all that I have for today's video. I wanted to show you guys my first attempt of doing these boho goddess braids on my hair, and as you all can see, they look nice, but my parting could definitely be better. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video and if it was helpful for you, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every single time I post another video. But with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.